Wow, my OBS crashed. Alright, looks like I can't stream on this computer anymore. That's the first time that happened. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish up, okay? I lost my YouTube stream. But, is it still going? Oh, it restarted. Oh, fantastic. Alright, so, the internet problems today. Alright, so we have this upside down head and shoulders, okay? We're in the downtrend. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, okay? And if you measure it, it was supposed to be 35% from the breakout. So this 35% almost, okay, hit that target. Target number one. Now target number two of that would be 2 times, so 70%. 70% would be about $19-20. All right, so we have not hit that target yet, and that's a significant resistance cluster on the left side of this price. Okay, so right there. Now upside down head and shoulders, neckline, and breakout. If that wasn't enough confirmation, higher high, higher lows, right? Very sensitive traders will buy here, but this is more like day traders, swing traders getting in right here on this higher low to create the upside down head and shoulders, right? So we can also draw a parallel channel just temporarily. See that? So if we don't break through $15, then we could definitely pull back down to $11. All right, so these are the 3 levels that we're looking at. With the bull target, super bull target of 1928, a medium-term bear target of 1119, a super bull target of 821. All right, these are the 4 levels. Easy. All right, so because my stream's going kind of long right now, let's switch to crypto, what everyone wants to talk about. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Alright, so next time I stream, I'm going to do it on a different computer. The internet is like totally not working right now. Let me see if it's like my antivirus or something like that. Something like messing up my computer. I turned it off right now. See if that stabilizes. Alright. Let's talk about some Bitcoin right now. Alright. Let's go to Bitcoin. Alrighty. Looking at Bitcoin right now, BTC USD. For Bitcoin, because of the prices and stuff, I'm gonna leave the watch list open on the right side. So Bitcoin right now, as of making this video, is $39,731. All right. Now, what's interesting to see, Bitcoin on this weekly chart. Okay. People were kind of flipping out about, is this a head and shoulders? Right? There was a head and shoulders on the top here on the weekly. Okay, that's clear. Double top and head and shoulders. But is this the mega head and shoulders? Well, bulls basically and day traders kept it alive for now. Okay, kept it alive. Because if this was really going to play out, this was supposed to be a negative 80%, negative 85% downside bear market crash for crypto. It was supposed to be, if that really played out, back down to 4,702 support, which is basically the coronavirus crash bottom support level, the 3,000, 4,000 level, right? So it saved. Why? Because we had a little bit of hype Okay, people buying this, right? Also, we have support at 30,000 psychologicals. That's why a lot of people were buying that. I'm gonna erase this Fibonacci, right? A lot of people buying this on this side last year, early this year, and here. Okay, so there's a very strong $30,000 support. Now the problem is we're hitting this resistance level of the upper 40,000 psychological support. Resistance. Right? So we're working under the assumption right now that if Bitcoin is not going to turn into a mega head and shoulders pattern, all right, then it makes sense we would bounce off here and bounce to here, right? But it's not over yet. It's not over yet. The month is just starting. The week is just starting. So we're going to have to see. We are going to have to see how this is going to play out. But if we erase everything and look at monthly, so I need to, let me change to a different, let me change the Bitstamp, there's more data. All right, so we're looking at a monthly chart. We just closed July 2021. We use Fibonacci. Go from the bottom of the coronavirus crash to the top of the coronavirus rally. Right? This was a sign. Okay, there's a monthly hammer, monthly up, baby upside down head and shoulders on the sticks, right, on the candlesticks, right here. That's a sign, right? But we hit that 50% retrace. Okay, so very, very interesting. The bounce up to the 382 level right here. The problem is though, is 382 $41,000, is that going to be resistance? Or are we going to fall back down to 50% retrace? Possible. Okay, zoom in, drill down. We had this divergence building right here, this weekly divergence, daily bullish divergence as well on the RSI. Okay, have to be very, very sensitive to that. The higher lows, higher highs and higher lows on the MACD moving averages. Right, buyers, bots, people buying right here. I like this new feature of the price blinking. That's pretty cool. Okay. So I thought it could be a head and shoulders weekly, but you know, people are still hyped on crypto. All right, and there's some positive news with Elon Musk and that one Latin American bank accepting crypto and the country legalizing crypto. Okay, but now the rally, the beautiful 20-30% rally, hit that 382 level, and now we're finding some resistance. Look at daily pivots. Yep. So the pivot point for this week is 37,064. All right. I thought we were going to crash down to this weekly pivot down to 20,000. So that still could be a problem long term. Right? 20,000, 25,000 is still that weekly pivot point. But on the day, it's still sort of downtrending. We hit that R1, right? On the 4 hours, that's why we crashed down right here, which the bots are pulling back down to this pivot point right here. High, low, high, low, high, low. Right, let me turn off some pivot points. Okay, you see the price. Such. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Right, pull back down. Here. On an hourly, same deal. Right, hourly, we put on some moving averages. All right, we got hourly down cross on the short-term EMAs. Right, so it's just some profit taking. Right? People are not going to let their 30% profit just float in the air. 40%, 30% profit just float around. They can take profits. Is it over? No, it's not over. Definitely not over yet. Basically a short squeeze at resistance. So the next couple of weeks is going to tell us a lot of information about Bitcoin trend. Right? Because if we're sensitive and we look, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So then it makes sense for a higher low to be in order. possibly we might see a upside down head and shoulders develop on Bitcoin. That would be wonderful. A clear reversal signal, right? Because I just kind of drew it like this. So all we need is one more pullback and one more up, higher low established, and then we can maybe reverse this trend long term. That would be wonderful to see. If not, then we, so bull case would be establish the higher low and keep going up. Bear case would be try to make a fail and then pull back down to 25,000, which is the 618, which is there's probably a lot of buy orders right here at 25,000 dollar Bitcoin. All right. Okay, the stream is having problems today. All right, the stream is having problems, so sorry, got to cut it short because the internet connection is really bad. It might be this computer or my internet. So, okay, next time I stream, I'll use a different computer, and hopefully I could be able to stream because the first time this internet connection is so bad. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it. Again, this is technical analysis education for stocks and crypto charts. Free for now. It's just education. It's not financial advice. And go ahead, if you like this content, go ahead and give me a like on Twitch and YouTube. And thanks so much. The internet connection is cutting off and chopping off right now. So I'll see you in the next stream. Hope you have a nice day, a nice week. See you next time. Bye-bye.